Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify how-to video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add sale percentage discount on the latest version of Horizon theme without using any app. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to use any paid app. Completely free tutorial just for you guys. Before we head into it, make sure to subscribe the channel to motivate me for creating these type of videos for you guys. Okay, guys, so that is how the percentage badge will look like. As you can see, it's jumping, animating. You can disable the animation, by the way, if you want. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts, and it is working on the variant product as well. So previously, the video which I created. So if I go to the YouTube channel, you can see that this video was for Horizon theme, this video was for Dawn theme, got more than 80,000 views, and this video is for Taste. But current video is for Horizon theme, which is also supporting the variants. So if you have different compare pricing for different variants, just like I have this for small size, it's 60% off. For the medium, it is 50%. For the large, it is 40%. So every variant has a different compare pricing. In that case, you will need to use this updated code, which I'm going to provide you guys. And with that, you will have this block where you can have alignment features. Like if you want to center it up, you can see that it's centered, right alignment, all of these alignment settings. You can add in vertical spacing, horizontal spacing. You can change the font size if you want to increase the font size. You can see that we have the current price font size increased. You can change the font weight. You can also change the color based on your theme requirement. As you can see, I have changed it to green color. And this is for compared pricing. You can again change the sizing. So let's say if you want to display that in red, you want to increase the font size, and this is the discount badge. So that is the percentage discount badge which will be displayed. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, and you can add in your own custom text which will be displayed once you add it here. You can see that now it's showing custom text. I'm going to say percentage off for now, which looks good to me. Percentage off 60%, or just say sale. Again, here we have this font size. You can increase the font size and you can decrease it as well. Here we have font weight. So these are the colors. If you want the text color to be something different, and if you want the background color to be something different, again, these are all of the settings for coloring. And following, we have this animation. So we have multiple animations. We have flash. So you can see how it looks, right? I'm going to zoom in to show you guys. Doesn't make much difference. So that is the sale, pulse, fade in. So all these different type of animation. You can also set animation duration, animation speed, animation repetition. So if you just want to have the animation showing up at once, 3 times, or infinite loop, you can set up all of these things within this block, which I'm going to provide you guys how to install that on the latest Horizon theme. It's not just for the Horizon theme, it's for all of the free themes which are Horizon based. So all of the latest free theme which Shopify has released are backend is Horizon. You can use any one of them. It's just the display of colors and the fonts are a little bit different. So I'm going to show you guys how you can install that on the Horizon theme. And for that, you will find this link in the description. I'm also going to comment this video on the old videos which I have created for the same topic. So you'll find that in the pinned comment of old videos which I have created, like this one and this one and this one. So there are many videos which I have created for adding percentage badge discount. Okay, so let's start adding that. Currently, I have added that in Tinker theme. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that on Horizon theme, latest version. As of now, the latest version is 3.3.0, and I'm going to install the fresh Horizon theme. And our theme is being added, and the theme is being added. And while this theme is being installed, there is a link in the description. If you are new to Shopify and if you want your store for just $1 a month, you can sign up using that link. Also, we have created an app for you to add in volume discount. Volume discount are very helpful to boost average order value. And if you want to increase the average order value, you can simply search for bulk discount Shopify, and you will find our app, which is super simple to set up. All you have to do is just install the app and you can set up volume pricing for your store. Okay, gonna close this up and we will now publish our Horizon theme. So click on publish and I'm gonna click on publish again. Perfect. So our Horizon theme is published. And if I go to that product and hit refresh, you can see that is how it looks by default. So currently I have this compare pricing setup, right? So small is for $40 comparing from 100, medium is 50 comparing from 100, and the large is 60 comparing from 100. All these three sizes have different pricing. And we're going to install our block in that. And let's start implementing the instruction which we have on this link. So the first step is to replace this code in our dash product underscore product dash r dash gallery dot liquid file. And for that, I'm going to click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Before editing the code, make sure to have a backup of your theme. In case anything breaks up, do not blame me because you might be using a different theme version. You might have different apps which might be conflicting with the code. So make sure to have a backup of your theme simply by clicking on this duplicate here, right? So I'm going to click on edit code to install this code, which we have created for you guys completely for free. Please subscribe. Okay, so let's search this file and I'm going to copy this file name and paste it in the search box. You can see that we have this file showing up. And here we have this code which we need to replace. So that is the code which we will be replacing. Already mentioned here, that is the code which we will replace. So I'm going to simply press command and slash to comment this code, right? And then add a line break and then scroll down and replace with this code. So I'm going to simply click on this copy code, which will copy this code in our clipboard and paste the code. Once the code is pasted, it's safe. And now we will create a new block file. For that, I'm going to click on this plus sign. Make sure you are on this block folder, right? Once you are in this block folder, click on this plus sign to create a new block file. Perfect. Let's do that. So I'm going to name it WSP dash price. You can name it whatever you want. Name is not important here, just the code is. So the file is created. I'm going to scroll down and that is the new block which we will create. So click on copy code and then paste the code. Once you paste the code, hit save. And you can see that our code block is now saved. Now we will add this block in our product page template. How we can do that? So simply click on edit theme. I'm going to open that in a new window. And here I'm going to find the product page template. Click on default product. That's the only product page template which I have. And then we will add our block. Before adding the block, I would like to show you guys a playlist for the Shopify sections, which we have created for you guys completely for free. So if you search for Shopify sections, you can see that it's a dedicated playlist with completely free sections available for your stores. You can install any of the section completely for free. You want to add story timeline, you want to add custom font, shape divider, animated theme, WhatsApp order button. All of these sections are completely free to use. All you have to do is just subscribe and watch our videos on how you can install these sections and enhance the layout of your store, right? Okay, let's get back. Now I am on my product page template and I'm going to click on this change to view the product, which we are currently viewing. So the product name is tops. Dressy casual, that's the product where you can see that we have this compare price. Now, if you hover over, you will see this blue color. I'm just going to click on that and then click on this back arrow where we will have this price showing up here, right? And just below that, you will find this plus sign. So I'm going to show you guys here. So click on this plus sign here to add the additional block below this header under product information, right? So I'm gonna simply click on this plus sign, and here you can see that this new block is showing up, which says product price WSP. Click on that, and now we have these two prices showing up. We don't want that. So we're simply gonna hide this by clicking on this small eye icon, right? So click on this icon to hide that. And now we have just one showing up. And it has all of the features which I have shown you guys previously, like adding animation, changing colors, and all of the features are there. So I'm simply gonna click on save, and that's it. We have our sale percentage discount badge showing up, completely customizable without using any app. We didn't pay for any single app. I'm simply gonna hit refresh, and here you go. You can see that that's the current price, that's the compare price, and that is the percentage which we are offering as a discount. And if I click on medium, it changes that, small changes that. And if you are not showing the compare pricing, let me show you that as well. So it's very simple. If you go to any product, let's say I'm going to go on this product. So I'm simply going to search this product in the products. And if I click that, scroll down, you can see that we have these pricing showing up, and simply click on any of the variant. And we have this screen where we have all of the variants where we can add the price, and we can also add the compare at price. So in order to display this percentage, you will have to add in the compare price on the back end of product. So just go to products, appropriate product, click on any variant, and then add in compare price. That's how you'll be able to display the compare price. It's very basic, but some of the viewers of our channel commented that they are not seeing anything when they added the blog because you haven't added the compare price. So make sure to add the compare price by clicking on that variant and adding the compare price. You can also add the cost, right? If you want to add the cost, like if I'm selling it for $40, my cost is $30. I can simply also calculate the profit margin on each sale of that product. And that's it for this video, guys. I don't want to make it long and don't want to make you guys bored. Let me know in the comment below what more you would like to learn in Shopify or in AI or anything which we create in this channel. Until next video, have a great day.